Hello students, so this is JEE Advanced paper, a question of JEE Advanced paper. बेटा रिसेंटली आज क्वेश्चन है 2022 का, तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं फिर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन ये है कि द सॉल्यूशन इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय मिक्सिंग 0.01 mole each of H2CO3, NaHCO3, Na2CO3 and NaOH in 100 ml of water. The pH of the resulting solution is, and we are given that pK1 and pK2 of H2CO3 is 6.37 and 10.32 respectively. Okay. So now if you add 0.01 mole of H2CO3, NaHCO3, Na2CO3 and NaOH, as you can see NaOH is a very strong base, and which one is the strongest acid? H2CO3. So when they will react with each other, when you add them together, first they will react with each other. So what product would it form? Can you say H2CO3 will react with NaOH. In the first go it will form, can say it will take off one H plus ion and it will form NaHCO3 along with water. So how many moles of NaHCO3 will be get formed? So if it is 0.01 and if it is also 0.01, so can you say after the reaction it will become 0, it will become 0 because they will completely react with each other, there is no limiting reagent here, and NaHCO3 formed will be 0.01 moles. Right, so NaHCO3 moles will form 0.01 moles. So now our solution would be carrying, NaHCO3 and Na2CO3. So if I take NaHCO3 as an acid because it is carrying an acidic hydrogen, then Na2CO3 is its conjugate base, right, and NaHCO3 is a weak acid. And Na2CO3, over here Na is just a spectator ion, it has no role. So if I want to write it, I can write it as like this also. It is basically a mixture of bicarbonate ion, right, and its salt of conjugate base, which is CO3 2 negative. Okay, now the number of moles of bicarbonate ion formed will be, देखो bicarbonate ion formed from this equation is 0.01, and already there is, the bicarbonate ion added are 0.01. The total number of bicarbonate ion now has become 0.02 moles, and the number of moles of carbonate ion will remain same, that will be 0.01. So now we have to find out the pH of the solution. So can you say pH of the solution will be equals to, since it is a buffer solution, so pH of the solution will be equals to, and it is an acidic buffer because we have taken HCO3 minus is acting as a weak acid. It is a weak acid and it is the salt of strong base. So I can say our pH of the solution will be equal to, pH is equals to, what is the formula? pKa plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid, right? Let us put the value. So what is pK? Now which pK will we use? Will we use pK1 or pK2? See, we will use pK2. Why? Because pK2 is the pK of this acid when it has already lost one H plus ion. So after losing one H plus ion, it would have become HCO3 minus ion, which is the acid here. So yes, we will use pK2. So pK2 value is 10.32 plus log of salt by acid. So what is the concentration of salt? Salt over here is carbonate ion, so that is 0.01 upon volume. Since both the volume will get cancelled out, so we can just write the number of moles, 0.02. So let's see how much is the answer coming out to be. 10.32 plus log of, this become 1 by 2, and or I can write it as 10.32 and log 1 by 2 is written as minus log 2, and the value of log 2 is given to us in the question, that is 0.3. So pH will comes out to be 10.02. So right answer for this question is 10.02. I hope the solution is clear to everyone. In case if you find any doubt, please mention it in the comments, and if you understand it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.